Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of baking with the best football cookie cutters 3-piece set by Ann Clark. These football-themed cookie cutters are a must-have for all football fans and baking enthusiasts. The set includes 3 pieces: a football helmet, and a jersey, perfect for creating delicious treats for game days, parties, or events. One of the highlights of these cookie cutters is that they are proudly made in America. Manufactured for over 30 years with certified food-grade USA-made steel, you can trust the quality and durability of these cutters. The Clark family has specialized in original designs for creative baking for over 30 years. So you can expect unique and fun shapes for your cookies, fondant, biscuits, brownies, cakes, or craft clay. These cookie cutters are easy to use and clean, making baking a breeze. Simply hand wash the cutters and they'll be ready for your next baking adventure. In conclusion, the Football Cookie Cutters 3-piece set by Ann Clark is the perfect choice for football fans and bakers alike. With their quality, durability, and variety, you'll be able to create delicious treats for any occasion. Don't miss out on this fantastic product. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next video.